Come test drive the 2017 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.